Saturday morning begins quietly in a peaceful bedroom. The alarm clock shows 7:30 in the soft morning light.
I should move quietly. Everyone is still sleeping.
The kitchen lights turn on and the room slowly wakes up.
Good, we still have food for breakfast.
Eggs, bread, and fruit are ready on the counter. The coffee machine starts to brew.
It's still early.
I'll wake Michael gently.
The curtains move softly in the morning breeze.
Oh, good morning.
The breakfast table is ready for the family. Hot coffee fills the kitchen with a warm smell. One cabinet door hangs a little loose.
This cabinet still isn't fixed.
I'll fix it right now.
The screwdriver shines under the kitchen light.
Hold on. Almost done.
The screw tightens slowly. Jack sleeps deeply under his blanket.
Jack, it's time to wake up.
Just a little more sleep. Tea's too warm under the blanket.
Let the sunshine come in. Morning light fills the room.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Jack walks slowly to the bathroom.
That water is cold. I'm awake, but I don't want to move. I need to choose something to wear. I want to feel nice today.
The blue dress moves gently in the air. The yellow dress lies neatly on the bed.
But the yellow one feels happier. I'll fix my hair first.
Breakfast is ready.
I'm coming.
The breakfast table looks warm and inviting.
I'm really hungry.
This coffee is very good.
Please eat slowly, Jack.
He always eats fast. Can I play my game now?
The screen lights up Jack's face.
First, you help clean.
Clean again?
The vacuum cleaner waits beside the sofa.
Do I really have to do this? Okay, I'll stop playing.
The vacuum plugs into the wall.
There's dust everywhere. I'll start here.
Dust moves across the floor.
I'll clean the shelves.
I'll wipe the table.
A candy wrapper lies under the table.
Oh, I forgot this.
The trash can opens and closes. The vacuum reaches under the table.
I'm almost finished.
Good job, Jack.
One last screw.
The cabinet door opens smoothly.
All done.
The living room feels fresh and calm.
I'm tired now.
It's almost lunchtime.
The sun is higher in the sky.
Let's take a short break.
That sounds good.
Can I play a little now?
Only for a short time.
Okay, I understand.
The kitchen becomes busy again. Soup simmers quietly on the stove. Lunch will be ready soon.